gotta focus on yourself, on your faith, on your dreams, on your mind, on your health, yeah. You gotta work, never tell, keep your head down, find what you love and excel, yeah.
If you're anything like me, you've probably spent ages looking for a foldable phone that combines excellent cameras, a premium design, and serious productivity. The moment I picked up the Vivo X Fold 6, I was genuinely impressed by the quality of the hardware.
A quick shout out to my tech partner from China for sharing this video. A big thank you for making this possible. Hey everyone, it's Maiky from techmaiky. If you love staying updated with the latest gadgets, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss out our exciting tech content.
Unlike many foldable phones that feel thick and heavy, this one is surprisingly light, beautifully built, and feels incredibly refined. The frosted rear panel has a smooth, premium texture, while the polished finish and elegant curves make it look and feel like a true flagship. The first thing that came to my mind was, wow, this phone looks seriously expensive. It's easy to carry, whether you slip it into a small bag or simply hold it while you're out. Then, when you unfold the large display, everything becomes much more enjoyable. Watching movies, scrolling through content, or reading long documents feels far more immersive and comfortable. But if you think the X Fold 6 is only about its stylish design and large display, you're missing one of its biggest strengths. The real star of the show is the new Origin OS 6 Fold. Vivo has redesigned the Atomic Workbench with a wide range of powerful features. It supports a multitasking layout with one primary task and 4 supporting tasks running together, while the brand new 4-window parallel mode makes multitasking even more practical. Whether I'm using AI to help with work, creating content, or planning my next trip, everything feels incredibly smooth. I can even keep chatting with friends while watching my favorite shows at the same time. There are countless ways to use it, and it has noticeably boosted my daily productivity. Now, let me show you how I organize my workflow with this system. Honestly, the interaction experience goes far beyond what you'd expect from a regular smartphone. It feels more like carrying a compact workstation that fits right inside your bag. Let me walk you through a few situations where I rely on it every single day. Whenever I'm exploring new places, filming outdoors, or searching for locations for cultural events, I simply find an interesting spot and use the built-in screenshot tool in parallel mode. I can quickly select what I need, take a long press screenshot, or send the information directly to the AI. Within seconds, the AI creates a complete shooting schedule for me. I can save the entire plan into Atomic Notes with just one tap. At the same time, I can compare flight prices, make reservations, and review my filming checklist without constantly jumping between different apps. Everything is handled in one place, making travel planning much easier even if you're not experienced. Looking ahead, Vivo also plans to bring an OTA update with the PC version of Xiaomi Cloud, enabling seamless two-way communication between your phone and your computer. That essentially turns the X Fold 6 into a portable creative workstation, which is incredibly useful for content creators. I'm definitely excited to see what this update brings. Another feature that really caught me by surprise is that Origin OS 6 Fold doesn't stop there. It introduces an AirDrop-style sharing experience that makes working between devices much easier. In the past, moving photos or documents between my iPhone and Vivo phone was always a hassle. With the X Fold 6 becoming the first foldable phone to offer this kind of AirDrop-like connectivity, the entire experience changes. After signing in to the same Vivo account, files can be shared effortlessly across devices. You can download and edit photos from your iPhone, send project files from the foldable display back to the iPhone, and even keep track of native iPhone AirDrop transfers. There's also support for double-tap editing, while documents received on the iPhone can instantly be pushed to the larger foldable display for editing. Even better, double-tap file transfers are no longer limited to the same local network. As long as both devices have an internet connection, sharing works smoothly. Once the devices are paired, incoming calls, text messages, and even verification codes can sync across devices, allowing you to copy and paste them directly. It genuinely breaks down many of the barriers that normally exist between the iOS and Android ecosystems. And if you still think that's not enough productivity, or you simply want an even larger display to get more work done, well, is this screen big enough for you? The X Fold 6 also introduces a brand new PC mode that transforms an external display into a compact desktop experience. It can even take over the role of a keyboard and mouse, making computer control much more convenient. On top of that, it comes with a full PC version of WPS, offering the same interface and functionality you'd expect on a desktop, so working on documents feels familiar and effortless. There's even a mirror mode, which looks incredibly futuristic and is genuinely fun to use. For a foldable phone that's built around productivity, the camera system is every bit as premium as you'd expect from a flagship. You don't have to sacrifice photography for multitasking because this device gives you both. As the first foldable phone equipped with a Zeiss 200mm equivalent telephoto camera, it captures distant subjects with outstanding clarity. Whether you're photographing landscapes or zooming in on a concert stage, the results are remarkably sharp. Thanks to Zeiss's professional optical tuning, portrait shots feature smooth, natural-looking background blur, while the built-in film filters make everyday photography and travel shots look fantastic with almost no editing required. If you prefer photos that look great straight out of the camera, you'll absolutely appreciate what this phone delivers. Of course, all these software features and camera capabilities wouldn't mean much without strong hardware to support them. Thankfully, Vivo hasn't cut any corners here. Every version of the X Fold 6 comes equipped with a massive 7,000 mAh battery. Even after spending an entire day multitasking with multiple windows open, recording videos, sitting through long meetings, and streaming content, the battery easily keeps up. When it's finally time to recharge, the 80-watt wired fast charging and 40-watt wireless fast charging make topping up incredibly quick, so even a short charging break gives you plenty of power to keep going. Durability is another major strength. The phone is rated IPX8 for water resistance and IP5X for dust resistance, and it's even designed to operate in freezing temperatures as low as -20 degrees Celsius. Whether you accidentally spill coffee on it or use it outdoors during harsh winter conditions, you don't have to worry about treating it too delicately. Both the inner and outer displays have also received significant upgrades. They use a new luminous display material, along with Vivo's ultra-low brightness eye protection calibration, creating a much more comfortable viewing experience. Whether you're writing scripts late at night or watching videos in a dark room, the screen remains soft on your eyes, making long viewing sessions far more comfortable. It's a feature that content creators working late into the night will definitely appreciate, although it's still a good reminder that getting enough sleep is always the better option. With this generation, Vivo has completely changed what a foldable phone can be. It's no longer just a smartphone with a bigger display. It's a complete solution designed for modern creators and everyday lifestyles. Folded up, it feels like a lightweight, premium flagship with an elegant design. Open it and it becomes a portable, AI-powered creative workstation that strikes the perfect balance between productivity and entertainment. Whether you're a content creator producing videos every day, an office professional who constantly communicates online, or someone who simply enjoys traveling, taking photos, and watching videos during your free time, the X Fold 6 is designed to fit naturally into your daily routine without any obvious compromises. That's everything for today's video. If you enjoyed it, make sure to hit the like button, leave a comment below, and subscribe to the channel. Your support truly means a lot and helps the channel continue to grow. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.